So this is one of our poultry processing clients in operation. As it is our culture, whenever you buy your machines from us, we come with you and stay with you on the first day of our production. The processing line you're seeing here was supplied and installed by us. You notice the flow from slaughter to defeathering to washing and to final handling. When equipment is properly fabricated and correctly installed, processing becomes faster, cleaner, and more organized. Manual systems limit scale. Structured processing systems increase daily output and improve hygiene standards. Machines must work under real production pressure, not just inside the workshop. This is what performance looks like. Would you want to start up your own chicken processing? Call on us today, and we don't just build machines, we come with you on your first day of production to make sure that everything is perfectly working. Send us a DM today to start your own journey. Bye.